picture and you given the answer that you feel like it's a ice balls, and some are saying these are the snowballs. Okay, some are saying it came from the freezer. So it is not like that. This is a small, these are the ice balls. Okay, and these ice balls are called as hailstones. Okay, now the hailstones are formed up in the sky. Interesting, right? You may be thinking that how this is possible, that top of the sky this small or some other medium sized ice balls form. What is the procedure of it? What, how these things happen? Now if I tell you that these ice balls are fall down in the summer season, then you may be shocked and you're not able to believe that summer is a season mainly famous, and we know for the hotness only. Okay, we know that the summer season is a season in which we feel very hot, and to just make ourselves cool, what we do, we drink a lot of water, we drink cold drinks and sometimes ice creams. We put on AC, put on our AC fan, everything to make ourselves we can say happy, and just feel cool down. Okay, for this we do some of the things. Now today we are going to learn that how these hailstones are formed, and why these are formed up in the sky, how these are formed up in the sky, and why they fall down in the summer season. Okay, now there is a, children never get confused between hailstones and snowfall. Snow is a soft, and we can say these snowfalls generally do not make any kind of harm to the animal, and we can say human being when they fall down. Okay, but the hailstones are the strong ones. They are just like a stone. Okay, as they're your ice cubes, see in your freezer some of the soft we can say dry ice is there, and even you have the cubes. So the ice cubes are very, we can say they are very hard. Okay, and if you're going to throw in somebody's head, then there is a possibility that he might get injured. Okay, but if you're going to hurt somebody with the snowballs, and why? Because the snowballs are soft one. Okay, and if you're going to throw in somebody's head, then that time it's just like a fun only, nothing else. Okay, so children, you need to keep in mind, and your everything you have to be sorted, like the snowfalls and the ice balls are the two different things. Snowfalls and the ice balls are two different things. Never get confused between hailstones and snowfall. Okay, now snowfall take place in which season, children? Snowfall take in which season? Snowfall happen in which season? Yeah, in winter season. Absolutely right. And what is the interesting fact about the hailstones, or in which season it take place? It take place in the summer season. Okay, in summer season. Now in our area, we never experienced like this, but some part of Maharashtra experienced this, and we called it gar, I think so. Okay, uh, let's see some of the interesting fact about it and how these are fall. Be with me and let's go. Am I audible to everyone? Gara, absolutely right. Shreya. Yeah, thank you. Sorry. Okay, children, as you can see, there is a picture of some of the small ice balls, and one by one we are going to see that how this ice balls forms up in the sky. Standard 4th subject English, lesson number 4, why does it hail even in summer? Okay, now as I already we discussed a lot about these ice balls. Now let's move towards the next. These ice balls form in some of the time in large in size. These are the large one, and sometimes they fall in a small size. Okay, as a size of small stones. That time it feels like a fun. But if they fall in a large size, then it create a lot of problem for the animal as well as human being. Now, puzzle in your surrounding. Why does it even hail in summer? We feel very hot in summer. The sun shines brightly and the temperature is high. And then suddenly there are clouds in the sky and it starts raining. Not just water, but even a small balls of ice. We say it has started hailing. The small balls of ice are called hailstones. Why does it hail in summer? In a hot summer season. Okay. Now, children, as I told you that the snowfall and the hailstones are the two different things. Okay. Now, hailstones fall down and it feels like a burger rain. No, it feels like stones are falling down, and sometimes when they are large in size, it creates a lot of problem. Okay. Now, hailstones, a small hard ball of ice that fall from the sky like a rain. As in the rainy season, what fall down, children? It fall down the small droplets of water, right? And to protect ourselves from the drop of water, what we do? We take umbrella, we take raincoat, and many more things. But when these hailstones fall down, we need to just be careful, and we need to go to the strong roof, okay, to protect ourselves. As we move up from the land, the temperature begins to fall. Up in the sky, it is very cold, even in a hot season. You know that there are water particles in the cloud that we see in the sky. Very high in the sky, the water particles in the cloud turn into little bits of ice. Now let's see how these hailstones, generally what is the procedure and how this magic take place up in the sky. Now children, you have a better experience about it, like to spend our picnic and spend our holidays. Where you go in the summer season? You go in some of the place where like the hill stations, Manali, Shimla, Kashmir, okay, now Matheran and then Mahabaleshwar. Why you go to the hill stations? Why? Because if you're going to move up from the land, okay, if the land is here, if you're going to move towards up in the towards the sky, what will happen? As you go up, temperature begins to fall. Okay, temperature, like if we like the winter season is going on, that time you're going to feel cold due to the less temperature. And if the summer season is going on, you're going to feel hot due to the high temperature. Okay, so temperature is something where we feel like our surrounding. Okay, with the help of temperature we feel whether the hotness or the cold is there. To measure it, we call the particular thing as a temperature. So as you go up from the land, what happened? That the temperature begins to fall. And that's the reason in the summer season, where you go to spend your day holidays, in the some of the place where like the mountains and the hill stations. Why? Because these hill stations are situated top of the mountain, and as you go up from the land, what happens? Temperature begins to fall. So think about the top of the like the top of the sky. Okay, so what happened at the top of the sky? The temperature is very low. Okay, and when this black thunder cloud, okay, to form a hailstone, which thing is very necessary? This black thunder cloud. Now you know black thunder cloud, kale badal. Okay, these black clouds are generally formed near to the May, or we even say that April month. Okay, and what happened? These thunder clouds carry water particle inside of them. Okay, what this thunder cloud carries? This thunder cloud carries water particles inside of them. Okay, in काले बादलों में पानी होता है. They carry a small particles of water. So as they move up from the land at the top of the sky, where the temperature is very low, the water particle which are present in the thunder cloud, it's get started converting into the ice due to the strong wind. What happened? Due to the strong wind, what happened? This cloud goes up. ये बादल ऊपर चले जाते हैं हवाओं की वजह से. And this thunder cloud carry water inside of water particle Particle means what? A very small amount, okay, a very small water particle they carry inside of it, and when they move up from the land, these waters get converted into what? These water converted into ice, as you see, as you have experience of it. Like when you put some of the things inside the freezer, right? Your refrigerator is a something which helps to maintain the temperature low. Okay, everything which is there inside the fridge is cold, and but one part of your refrigerator is known as freezer, right? Children, is known as freezer. Now what happened inside the freezer? The temperature is very low, and the things which you're going to keep inside is going to be freeze. Okay, and that's why when you put water inside of the freezer, what happened? Water get converted into ice. Ice cream get solid form. Okay, so this is the reason that as up in the sky, the temperature is very low like a freezer, and the water particle which is carried out by this thunder cloud slowly start get converted into the ice. Okay, now we are going to take a pause over here, and we are going to discuss some of the question answers. Now fill in the blanks. First, the small balls of ice are called as dash. A, rainfall. B, waterfall. C, hailstones. What it's called? Children, A, B, C. What will be the answer? Yes, C. Now you all are attentive. Very good, very good. Double thumbs up for you. Now let's move towards the next. In which season hailstones take place? Rainy season, winter season, summer season? A. Some are saying A. Rainy season. No, no rainy season. In summer season. Your right answer is C. In summer season. Yes, absolutely right. Now next, true or false? Okay, true or false? As we move up from the land, temperature begins to fall. This statement is true or false, children? I have given the example of it. Remember whether the statement is true or false? True. Yes, absolutely right. Now next. Next statement. There are water particles in the clouds. There are water particles in the cloud. The statement is true or false? True. Yes, absolutely right. True. Now, children, let's try to understand with the help of picture how this hailstones form. Now, the water particles which are there inside the thunder clouds, black thunder clouds, they goes up with the pressure of wind, and these water particles get converted into the ice. Okay. Now, slowly, this became a large hailstones. Okay. When it gets heavier, okay, heavy, and then they fall down. When they fall down, sometimes what happens? Sometimes they fall in a big size or the large size, or sometimes they are just present as a bit of ice. Now let's see the meaning of particle. A very small piece is called as particle. A very small piece. Now what is freeze? Freeze, to become hard and often change into the ice because of the extreme cold, is called as freeze. Okay. Now very tiny hailstones melt before they reach the ground. Okay, if they are very small in size, tiny means small in size. So very tiny hailstones melt before they reach the ground. They turn into the raindrop. But some hailstones reach the ground before they melt. So you know that the sky is very far away from land. So before coming down, while coming down, some of the hailstones, if they are in a small in size, they get melted and convert into the raindrop. But if they are present in a large size, they reach ground before they melt. What is mean by melt? To be get converted into the water. It's a melting. Okay, solid to liquid is called as the procedure called as melting. कोई चीज जब solid से liquid में convert होती है, like your ice cubes are solid and your water is liquid. So when the ice cube start converting into the water, it's called as melting. Okay, a light shower of hail can be a great fun. Okay, light shower means a very small haze when they fall down for some time only. Then they just are like a great fun. But a hailstorms means when these hailstones fall in very large amount. जब ये hailstones यानी जो साइज बॉल्स होते हैं, ये जब बहुत ज्यादा पड़ते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, मतलब ज्यादा इनका ये होता है, ज्यादा देर तक बरसते हैं, तो क्या होता है, इट्स कॉल्ड एज hailstorms. Okay, hailstorm, you know storm means what, so it's called as hailstorms, can cause a great damage to the crop, plant and animal. When these hailstones fall for a long time, then they become hailstorms, and when the hailstorms take place, these hailstorms damage crop, plant and animal. Now how they crop, okay, these mostly these farmers get affected with it, because the small plants are not able to just bear the strong pressure or this ice. Okay, and they get damaged. Animals, those are there outside and they don't have the shelter, because of this large size of balls, they died or they get injured. Okay, and sometimes the public property and the properties like the car and everything which is made up of glass and can be hurted with the stone, okay, and get damaged. So this thing happened due to the hail storms. But if it is take place for a some time only and small size hailstones are there, then it is just a great fun. Okay, students, now it's time to ask the question. Answer the following. Which kind of hailstones turn into the raindrop? Which kind of hailstones turn into the raindrops? A big size of hailstones or the tiny ice balls? Which kind of hailstones turn into the raindrops? Now tell me, A or B? Big size or tiny size? I told you the meaning of tiny. B. Yes, absolutely right, student. B. Very good. Now next. Next is dash of hailstones can be a great fun. Light shower or the rainstorm. Okay. Dash type of hailstones can be a great fun. Light shower, option A. Option B is rainstorm. A. Yes, absolutely right. Very good. Chalo. Now next. This time to be understand the same topic with the help of video. So student, now I'm going to show you one video and that will help you out to know and understand the same procedure of how these hailstorms take place up in the sky in a better way. So pay attention towards the video, okay? So let's see and understand.
In which balls of ice called hailstones fall from sky. But it's Sum time. What is hail? A burger rain. Nah. Hail is a type of rain in which balls of ice called hailstones fall from sky. But for the hail formation, following conditions are necessary. Firstly, there must be a thunderstorm cloud. Secondly, the upper portion of the cloud should be below freezing temperature. Thirdly, the cloud should have a great vertical height. Fourthly, it should have high water content. Lastly, there must be strong uprising winds called updrafts. Now, according to a recent study, hail begins to form When updrafts lift upwards, the water droplets present at the bottom of the cloud. Now, as they ascend, the freezing temperatures causes the droplets to turn into tiny hailstones. Then, as the updrafts push these hailstones even higher, more droplets freeze onto them, creating larger hailstones. Eventually, when these hailstones become too heavy for the updrafts to hold, they fall, causing hail. How do snowflakes form? My snowman
Okay, now hope in short this is clear. Okay, student, is this lesson is clear to all? Yes. Okay, now it's time to take reading of the same. Okay, now you are going to read this. Okay, students.